Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best waxless toilet seal is probably one of the most underrated home improvement products. If you're tired of dealing with messy wax rings or are looking for a more reliable and user-friendly solution, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of waxless toilet seals, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if they're the right choice for your bathroom upgrade. Number 5. Fluidmaster 7530 WaxFree Toilet Seal. This is the Fluidmaster 7530, a revolutionary wax-free toilet seal. It's designed to make toilet installation easier and cleaner than ever before. Say goodbye to messy wax rings. This innovative seal provides a clean and efficient way to install your toilet. It eliminates the hassle and mess associated with traditional wax seals. The Fluidmaster 7530 is designed for universal compatibility. It fits any 3-inch or 4-inch drain lines. The included hardware ensures a secure and reliable fit. This seal is perfect for uneven floors or those with tile. It creates a tight seal, preventing leaks even on challenging surfaces. You can be confident in its performance. Installation is a breeze with the Fluidmaster 7530. It requires no special temperature conditions. Plus, it can be repositioned without damaging the seal, offering flexibility during installation. What we like. This wax-free seal offers a clean and straightforward installation process. It's designed to fit any drain, making it a versatile choice for various toilet setups. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation and a reliable seal, this is a great option to consider. What people say. You can set the seal with the additional spacer, then set the bowl. If the bowl is more than 3/8 off floor, cut off a thin slice of the spacer and reset the bowl. Very easy to use. No wax seal to deal with. Seems to have a better fit and prevents leaks. It worked well every time. A lot better than wax ring. No mess and easy to handle. Number 4. Korky 6000 BP Wax-Free Toilet Seal. Tired of messy toilet installations? This product offers an easy solution. It simplifies the process, making it straightforward for anyone to install a toilet. Forget about dealing with wax rings. This innovative seal eliminates the mess. It provides a clean and hassle-free experience when fixing leaks. It's designed to fit various flange types and floor heights. This universal design ensures compatibility with different setups, adapting to your specific needs. Unlike wax rings, this seal allows for adjustments during installation. You can reposition the toilet multiple times without ruining the seal, ensuring a perfect fit. Proudly made in America, this product is built to last. The red rubber material is durable and backed by a 10-year warranty, offering long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional wax rings, this seal won't freeze or melt. It maintains its integrity regardless of temperature fluctuations, ensuring a reliable seal. The package includes everything you need for a quick setup. It comes with a wax-free seal, hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. This product is proudly made in the USA and comes with a 10-year warranty. The repositionable design allows for multiple attempts during installation, saving you time and money. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who values quality and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Bought this seal in 2021 when remodeling our bathroom and to fix a leaky wax seal. Now that we're in 2025, I bought a new toilet. When removing the toilet, this Korky seal still was in great shape with no sign of leakage. I replaced it with another bought from the local hardware store, and anytime I have to do any sort of toilet work, this is the seal I'm going to use. Easy to set and leak-free. Just make sure you follow the instructions with what size gaskets to use. Sometimes placing a heavy toilet on a wax ring can be difficult without splitting the ring. This solves that problem and gives you chances to correct the placement if it isn't exactly right on the first try. I will never ever use the old clay putty ring ever again. Keeps constant press, no leaks, easy to install. Great product. Number 3. Plumb Craft SealTight Waxless Gasket Kit, 8 pieces. This waxless gasket kit allows for easy repositioning. You can adjust the silicone and foam rings until you get the perfect fit for your toilet. The kit includes 2 EVA foam rings. One fits underneath, and the other fits above the silicone seal, providing a secure fit. It is designed to fit most toilets. The kit also includes all the necessary installation hardware, making it a convenient choice. Installation is simple with the included step-by-step instructions. Helpful graphics and tool suggestions are provided to guide you through the process. The kit comes with a silicone ring, 2 EVA foam rings, toilet bolts, stainless steel washers, and metal nuts. Everything you need is included. What we like. This kit offers a waxless composition, allowing you to reposition the rings until you find the perfect fit. It's suitable for most toilets and includes all the necessary hardware. If you are looking for a customizable and user-friendly solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The silicone seal completely covers the black foam. The design of the top, which connects to the horn, is best of all. The rubber cone went down past the foam rubber rings they give you, it would work. I was right. That toilet is better than it ever was. We've had the place since 1993. Hardly a great installation, but it worked like a champ. The important part is obviously the rubber to the bottom of the toilet seal. The foam rubber rings just push up on that rubber to adjust for height and push the rubber against the bottom of the toilet. Not only doesn't it leak even a drop of water, but it also flushes much better. The rubber cone, apparently, doesn't restrict as much as the hard plastic flange did. Number 2. Aqualoq WaxFree Toilet Seal Kit. Tired of messy wax rings? This innovative kit offers a universal, waxless solution for your toilet. It includes everything you need for a secure and watertight seal. The Aqualoq kit features a unique membrane design that prevents leaks and protects your bathroom. This ensures a reliable seal, giving you peace of mind. The extended membrane provides superior protection around the toilet bowl drain. This design ensures a secure and watertight seal, eliminating potential water damage. Made from durable thermoplastic rubber, this seal is built to last. The membrane won't corrode, providing a long-term solution for your toilet needs. Unlike wax rings, this seal can be removed and reused multiple times. This makes it perfect for use at home, school, or the office, and even works as an RV toilet seal. This complete toilet repair kit is easier to install than traditional wax rings. It's simple, clean, and quicker, saving you time and hassle. What we like. This seal features an innovative membrane design, guaranteeing no water leakage. Made of durable thermoplastic rubber, it's built to last and can be removed and reused multiple times. If you want a long-lasting, reliable seal that's also environmentally friendly, consider this. What people say. After renovating a 1929 home, the damage from leaking toilets was severe. The plumber introduced this to me and was installed in 3 of 5 bathrooms. The neck on the Aqualoq seal is exactly what I needed to get the waste past the gasket without having to tear up the floor and replace the pipe at great expense. The Aqualoq material is very flexible, so it fit right up against the irregular surface. The harder material of other seals left a gap. Number 1. LAVELLE Universal Korky Wax-Free Toilet Seal. Are you tired of leaky toilets? This innovative seal is designed to provide a reliable and long-lasting solution. It's easy to install and ensures a watertight fit, preventing any unwanted leaks. Unlike traditional wax seals, this one is wax-free. This means no mess and a more durable seal. It's designed to withstand the test of time and provide consistent performance. This seal is designed for universal use. It fits most standard toilets, making it a convenient choice for any bathroom. You don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Installing this seal is a breeze. The straightforward design allows for quick and easy setup. You can replace your old seal in minutes without any special tools. This seal is built to last. It provides a reliable and durable solution for your toilet. You can count on it to keep your bathroom dry and leak-free for years to come. What we like. This wax-free seal offers a clean and straightforward installation process. It's designed to fit any drain, making it a versatile choice for various toilet setups. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation and a reliable seal, this is a great option to consider. What people say. With 2 different thickness rings, use one or the other or both to get best seal. The seal not only had no signs of leaking when I pulled the toilet, but the rind was flexible and looked good as the day I put it on, so just pulled out the pen, set the toilet back on the old ring and works great still. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.